Welcome to Q&A Wire.
In this problem of Laplace transform, we have given a certain network has an this is input admittance, that is Ys, and the admittance has a pole at S is equals to -3 and a 0, so this is pole, and 0 at this is S is equals to -1, and we have given y of infinity is equals to 0.25 s. Now we have to find the value of ys. So we know that here ys is simply k multiplied with, this would be s plus 1. So s plus 1 is divided with s plus 3, and we have given y of infinity, say this would be limit, say s is approaching towards infinity, and k multiplied with s plus 1 is divided with s plus 3 is equals to, say this is can be written as also, so k, and this can be written as 1 plus 1 divided with s is divided with 1 plus 3 divided with s is equals to, say this would be capital, so this is equals to 0.25, or we can say this is equals to capital K, so this term is K is equals to 0.25. So this is 0.25 s, and now from here we are getting K is equals to, this is 0.25 s, and we are getting K is equals to 0.25. Hence we can write y of s is equals to s plus 1 divided with, putting the value k is equals to 0.25, so this would be 4 multiplied with s plus 3. So this is the answer for part A. And now for part B. So this is the problem for part B. Part B says an 8-volt battery is connected to the network via a switch. So let me show you the figure for that. So here is the figure, and if the switch is closed at t is equals to 0, we have to find the current IT through Ys. So we have to find the current through it. So we have given Vs is equals to 8, and this would be u, the function of t, and we can find the s term. So this would be s function, that is 8 divided with s. Now I is given by, this is Vs divided with z, and this term is simply ys multiplied with Vs of s. So this is 8 divided with 4s is multiplied with s plus 1 divided with s plus 3. Now when we solve it, so this term can be written as, say 2 multiplied with s plus 1 is divided with s is multiplied with s plus 3. So here now we have given the a, say here I can be also written as, we can take the Laplace, so this would be, say this is written as 2 divided with 3, and this is multiplied with 1 divided with s, and minus 4 divided with 3, and this would be 1 divided with s plus 3. Now we can take Laplace inverse, so this would be the function of t, so this is 1 divided with 3 and 2 minus 4 e to the power minus 3t is multiplied with ut, and this would be in ampere. So this is the answer for part B.